YouTube, it is Outdoor Mama, and today we're going to be talking about the Morakniv Kansbol, so stick with me. Welcome back everybody, and thank you for sticking with me. Like I said, today we're going to be doing a full test and review on the Morakniv Kansbol. So one thing I want to tell you guys first is if I seem a little biased, it's probably because I like this knife. It has an overall length of 8.9 inches. The blade length is 4.3 inches. I like the fact that it has a 90-degree spine, so when you're striking on your ferro rod, it's no problem to start a fire with that. You're good to go. It has a nice grippy handle. It only weighs about 4.7 ounces, which I like. I like the lighter weight knives. It comes standard with this plastic sheath. Locks in there fairly nicely. However, what we did was we contacted our buddy Jeremiah from KYDEX, and we got this one made. He's aka Country Prepper. I like this sheath. It has a leather dangler belt loop. I love it. It has a ferro rod, a high quality ferro rod. It has a separate tin on the back for fire starters. Inside we have our little fat packs and a couple fire starting kit in there. The sheaths that he makes fit perfectly. There's no rattle, there's no play or anything in those. Those are awesome. And if you want to know any more information about him, I'll put some links in the video description below. So we've had this knife for several months now. I love this knife. I use it all the time. My kids use it. My husband uses it. We absolutely love it. It still has the same edge it has from the factory. It cuts everything we use it for like a dream. But I'm kind of tired of talking. So let's go to the test footage. So I hope you guys enjoyed that test footage as much fun as I had doing it. Now, something you may have noticed during testing is that we did not hard use this knife in any real way. And the reason for that is the blade on this knife is only 2.5 millimeters thick. Hopefully this is clear to most people. that this is more of a companion knife and not a hard use chopper. When used as intended, the Scandi Grind excels at slicing and cutting. Overall, I really like this knife. It's lightweight and it cuts really well, and it has the added benefit of being budget friendly. If you want to learn more about the Morakniv Kansbol, I'll have some links in the video description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and share this video out with your friends and family in your social media network, so we can keep growing, thriving, and making awesome videos for you guys. And remember, Mama knows best.
Yes, ma'am.